Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyambat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya. Ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore. Ka khot admission nagamta ka nursing but paramedical course. Ka bala ithu da ka Indian Nursing Council. Ka buy admission ka badunatam. But she's pa percent ka jinyokam. Pila ru ban apply da ka education loan.
Ka ICA ka pinkre ya ka laway jongpi. Nakabinta ka tuition but coaching ka babhatam yapi. Yasno but ka ICA.
Menteri ka Sarkar Jalla uba Kermen Shalla uba Longru MLA jong ka UDP na Cleariat constituency. Haka khat sautere gu jemang arjar arpusan ula ong ba ukwa bagi Paidbah jong ka Rilum Jaiñtia hi ken rai la ka jing terwa banwan ra ya ka Lynti rel kan pen mentoi ne kama jing mentoi satia yaki. Haka jing ekran bat kilat pathai kubor uba Shalla ula ong ba kat kum ka jing sngo jong u shimet ukwa bagi Paidbah ka Rilum Jaiñtia hi ken shim ya ka rai Halor ka Lynti rel.
Actually, when it comes to this, we will take a call from the party. Whatever the party decide, then we'll go ahead with that. I cannot say on my own ask now because here it comes with all the political party. So we will leave it to our president to take a call on this. We will leave it to the public. The public will decide. And I have a feeling if the public really want it, it should happen. If the publics are against, why would anything we do here, we are for the public. We are their servant. So as their servant, it is our duty to provide their need and necessity. So we should not go against their will and their request. So always should be good. Everyone will be benefit. Those who use it. Those who don't use it, for them it doesn't affect. Either it comes or it didn't. For them it doesn't. But who use it, they will know what will be the outcome. Of course, anything you use, there will be a benefit out of it. So train will be the same thing. It will be a benefit for those who utilize it and make use of it, and those who don't, of course, it's of no use. It's just like throwing a diamond in front of pigs. So whether if it is a diamond, so they'll not know what is it. So the same thing. People knows very well what is a good trains and what is a passenger carrier trains. So it's just that I don't know where we went wrong, and then why the people are against and why they are in favor also. We don't know yet. But I believe one day we will have one platform, since now the government has taken this initiative, and let's give a chance to the public to decide. That's all we want. I myself, I want that. Not Makarman to decide, not anybody. Let the public decide on the platform, and then take that. What will be the benefits? What will be the the outcome of that railway if it comes? Then if public say no, that day itself we should put a full stop. If the public say yes, I believe, why only government has to support? Why not the NGOs? Why not public? Why not different community? I feel we should have the sentiment of people. So I have said this, I have mentioned it from time to time. The public will decide. We are here as their servant. Any company, whenever they come and set up their companies in any region, we used to have this public, public rally, hearing, public hearing. So why not this? This is for the public. Have a public hearing, and then let people decide. So we have heard the different voices and different ideas and different comment on it, but majority wins in the end. We don't have any such kind of thick people may talk, whether they collect or they don't, that we don't know exactly. So if people complain, then only we'll know whether they collect money or not. Now we are not talking about them collecting or not collecting. Now we are talking about what will be the outcome, what will be the benefits of the people. Who collect, who didn't collect, is none of our business. But it's just that we make sure if any illegalities is going on, that should not happen. I remember last time Bajibino has mentioned when it comes to goods trade. So I believe the party will stand on the same comments. So as of now, I have no say on this. So the party decide the best, what will be the benefits. But that is from the view of the party. So me, myself, as have been mentioned, I will let to the people of East India or the Jaiñtia people to decide on this.